10 Weird and Crazy Hotels in the World. 1. Dog Bark Park Inn, a hotel shaped like a giant dog building, where guests can stay inside a gigantic dog sculpture. 2. Free Spirit Spheres, a hotel consisting of wooden spheres suspended in the treetops, offering a unique experience of staying in nature. 3. Icehotel, a hotel made of ice and snow, rebuilt every year based on new designs, offering guests exceptional experiences in the world of ice sculptures. 4. Karosta Prison Hotel, a transformed prison building where guests can stay in prison cells, experiencing authentic life behind bars. 5. Das Park Hotel, a hotel made of converted concrete pipes that serve as rooms, offering a minimalist and original lodging experience. 6. Null Stern Hotel, a starless hotel that promotes the idea of minimalism and deprivation of luxuries, offering guests only a bed in the open air with a panoramic view. 7. Giraffe Manor, a hotel where guests have the opportunity to meet and feed giraffes freely roaming the property. 8. Palacio de Sal, a hotel built entirely of salt blocks, located in the Salar de Uyuni Desert in Bolivia, offering an extraordinary lodging experience in a salt palace. 9. The Hobbit Motel, a hotel inspired by Middle-earth from The Lord of the Rings trilogy, where guests can stay in small cottages resembling hobbit holes. 10. Poseidon Undersea Resort, an underwater hotel located at the bottom of the ocean, where guests can observe the underwater world and enjoy incredible views of the ocean depths. These are just a few examples of the dozens of extraordinary hotels in the world that offer unforgettable experiences and prioritize uniqueness. Don't forget to give a like, leave comments, and share with friends and family.